Yeah, viva Brazil. Yeah, Brazil.
Viva
Yeah.
Brazil.
Yeah, viva Brazil. Yeah.
Travel with Zambian lion, feel the wild rhythm. Breathe the joy and love, Grand Benzu is the best to do, and now enjoy the moment. Travel with Zambian lion, feel the wild rhythm. Breathe the joy and love, Grand Benzu is the best to do, and now enjoy the moments. High on adventure with the Zambian lion, the world stands so bright. Pop a bottle of champagne under the moonlight. Live life, feel the heartbeat race. Live life, find your happy place.
Meu amigo.
Brasil.
Guys, I've just arrived here in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. I'm excited, I'm happy to be here. It's a beautiful place. I'm loving the weather. I just came at the right time. And this right here is my room. As you can see, that's my bed right there. You know what I'm saying? Got a little TV right there, you know what I'm saying? Got a little fridge right there, you know, stashing all the good shit. You know, they got some beers for me. Look at that, customer service at its finest. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, they got 4 beers for me. This is the best customer service I ever received. Check this out, I got some snacks right there. Man, I'm loving it. They got my safe right there. I can stash my money, you feel me, my jewelry. I got everything I need, you know what I'm saying? Anything I need for the party, right? This is a toilet right here / bathroom. You got the mirror there to get me right. Let me show you all the best part. The best part about this room. This is the best part about this room. Check that out, y'all. Check out that goddamn view. This is how I'm living, man. This is how I'm living. Copacabana. Copacabana, Rio de Janeiro. I made it. Damn, this is a beautiful place, man. I feel like I might have to move out here. It's so beautiful out here, man. Shit. Copacabana. And this is why they call me Mr. International. You know, because I'm all around the world having a good time. Just exploring the world. Oh, yes. I know what you're thinking. This nigga made it. He's over here in Copacabana Beach right here in Rio de Janeiro. This is probably the most beautiful place I ever seen. I mean, it's absolutely busy out here. Like everybody's just moving up and down. The beach is amazing. The sun is out, you know. Everything's just so cool out here. You know, I feel like I want to live out here. Had a great time in San Jose, Costa Rica. Costa Rica was a little bit different. You know what I'm saying? It was a little different. I mean, I guess I came in the wrong time because they said that the weather wasn't really that great in September, and I wasn't really aware of that. But I actually had a great time over there, and honestly, Costa Rica is definitely on my bucket list. Like, one of my favorite countries so far right now is Costa Rica, and of course Brazil. I love Rio de Janeiro. I recommend you visit this place, but from what I heard, you gotta be careful with which girls you mingle with here because they might drag your ass and take all your shit. Same thing in Colombia, but it's way more dangerous in Colombia. I think over here in Brazil, Rio de Janeiro, I feel like the people are nicer. Just don't be flashy, that's all, because you're gonna bring problems to yourself. Well, I'm gonna holler at you guys later. I'm about to finish up this beer, go have a shower, get ready, explore more of the city, see what's going on, see where the best parties are, the best clubs, the best bars, the best food, of course. You gotta enjoy the Brazilian barbecue. They got some good shit out there. So yeah, stay tuned for more. Crossing the street in Rio de Janeiro. It's quite busy, super busy. As you can see on the streets, I'm just trying to cross the street. See a lot of people, a lot of cars. It's really busy over here in Rio de Janeiro. I don't even know how to describe this place. All I can say is it's crazy, and a lot of people can't speak English. Amiga, my friend here, Amiga from Rio, São Paulo, Rio de Janeiro.
São Paulo, por ser grande, é um lugar muito bom, bonito. Rio pela praia.
Sim. No. No, you can put. Wow. Got the English one.
Gostosa. Peixe é gostoso.
Bonito. Linda. Hola. ¿Dónde eres?
De Santiago de Chile.
Chile. Ok, mucho gusto, mi amiga. So,
Javiera.
¿por qué visita Río de Janeiro?
Porque está cerca, tiene playas, tiene lugares turísticos, tiene una maravilla del mundo,
Sí, claro. Sí,
tiene
sí.
buen clima, hace calor y bueno, nos conviene también el cambio, varias razones como esa.
¿Fiesta o comida?
¿Qué me gustó más?
Sí, claro. Sí.
La comida, bueno, fiesta no fue fiesta, no.
Nos gusta fiesta.
Íbamos a ir a una fiesta en barco.
Barco.
Hoy
ok.
día, moqueca muy rica,
Muy
acá,
rica,
de Río de
ok.
Janeiro, moqueca de pez y camarón, rico,
Ok.
comida.
Hermano, mi hermano, ¿te gusta Río de Janeiro o Santiago?
Ahora me quedo con Río de Janeiro. Hoy día me quedo con Río de Janeiro.
So guys, it's actually almost 9 p.m. So I'm gonna go out on the beach. I'm gonna go check it out. I'm gonna go out there at Copacabana Beach, and I'm gonna go see what's going on around this time. But of course, you know, it's never safe around this time in Rio de Janeiro. It's always good to be vigilant. Okay. My advice to you, if you're visiting Rio de Janeiro, always be vigilant. Have a money bag like the one I have on me right now. I can hide my phone. I can hide my credit cards. It's always a good idea to have like a money bag so that you can, you know, hide your phone, hide your credit cards here in Rio de Janeiro. Be vigilant, be careful, look around, you know what I mean? Look at your surroundings. You can easily lose your phone. Somebody can just come and snatch your phone. It's happened to a lot of tourists. Not to me personally, but I've heard a lot of stories from other bloggers and travel bloggers, YouTubers. losing their phones. Because why? Because they're not vigilant. They're still thinking they're in their country. This is not your country. This is a different country. This is a different world over here. All right, guys. Look like I made it safe over here in Rio de Janeiro. And it's a beautiful place. There's a lot of people. Over here in Rio de Janeiro, got a bunch of stuff that's selling everywhere on the street, as you can see. I want to say about your painting, because you got beautiful paintings. People want to buy.
People come to see, man. I don't know if they did, man. And we can send this stuff everywhere, man.
That's beautiful,
Yeah,
bro. It's beautiful.
everything everywhere in the world. And we post it and do, man. No problem.
Yeah, brother. I'll put it out there for you, my
No
brother.
problem, man. You can, my brother.
Black brothers, man. Oh, another Asian. All right.
Speak soy. Hello, my name is Alex. Hello, I am Brazilian.
Okay, he's from Brazil. What city you from? You from Rio de Janeiro?
Rio de Janeiro, Copacabana, Pavãozinho, Cantagalo. Comunidade.
Nice to meet you.
Favela. Nice to
Favela.
meet you.
He's from the favela right here.
Hello.
I got this Latino guy here selling some stuff. Let's have a conversation with him. Mi hermano.
¿Todo bien?
Sí, mucho gusto. ¿Dónde eres, hermano?
¿De Chile?
De Chile. ¿Por qué Río de Janeiro?
¿Por qué Río de Janeiro?
Tú, ¿por qué Río de Janeiro?
Por la gente, amigo. Por la cultura que hay acá. Mi país es muy frío. Mi país no es de saludar a la gente, no es de conversar, no es lo que estamos haciendo ahora. Cada uno está en su mundo.
Claro.
Y
Sí.
Brasil es todo lo contrario. La gente conversa, comparte, cambia ideas.
¿Te gusta Río de Janeiro?
Me gusta.
¿Te gusta mucho?
Vivo ya 4 años acá.
¿Te gusta trabajo o experiencia?
Es
Diferente.
Me gusta el turismo, trabajo en eso y eso es lo que me genera dinero, amigo, acá.
Soy de Australia.
Australia.
Soy de Australia, mi familia de África.
¿De Austria o de Australia?
Australiano.
Australia.
Mucho gusto, hermano. Muchas gracias.
¿Tu nombre es?
Mi nombre es Grant.
Grant. Adrián, amigo.
Adriano. Mucho gusto, mi hermano.
Que lo pases bien ahí y bienvenida a Río.
Ok, muchas gracias. Hasta luego. Chao. You say they got great parties here in Rio de Janeiro. So if you want to check out some cool parties, make sure you come to Rio de Janeiro. Salud.
Ahí estaba la fila.
Finally, Christ the Redeemer.
Ladies and ladies, picture the pictures. Picture. ¿Quieres sacar la foto?
Finally get to see the Christ the Redeemer over here in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. I'm loving it. I'm here with some friends
Hi.
from Colombia.
Yes. Luisa.
Say hi.
Hi.
She's like shy. What's going on?
Pero súbelos.
Leave it right here so they can pick
Vamos
it
arriba,
up.
vamos arriba.
Put it right here. They can get it. Oh, come on. Don't be shy.
Solo siente las manitas que se lo llevan.
They're so shy. They're so beautiful.
Nos tomamos unas con las manos abiertas. Lo que más te gustó del corcovado, el mono.
Man, this is beautiful, man. This is like paradise on earth. This is amazing, man.
On va marcher un peu plus.
Attends, on rentre dans le truc.
Vamos, próximo. Próximo, Marisa, obrigado. Thanks.
Wow. It's beautiful. The most famous museum in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. It's right there. I'm gonna go check it out.
Hi.
I'm liking it. It's a little different. A lot of history in this place, Brazil. So beautiful. by the pool, right? It's a nice spot here in Copacabana. It's probably one of the most amazing places I've ever seen in South America.
Yeah.
It's beautiful, beautiful place.